Welcome back. Today we are looking at the NZXT H9 Flow Micro-ATX PC case optimized airflow review. Is it worth it? The NZXT H9 Flow Micro-ATX PC case represents a modern shift in compact PC building, where performance, airflow, and clean aesthetics are no longer exclusive to large full-tower systems. In the evolving landscape of the NZXT H9 Flow custom PC build ecosystem, this case brings a refined balance of compact design and high-end compatibility, making it one of the most interesting Micro-ATX chassis releases of 2026. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for builders who want powerful GPUs, efficient cooling, and a minimal footprint, the H9 Flow is built around airflow-first engineering. Even in smaller builds, it manages to support full-sized graphics cards, advanced liquid cooling setups, and next-gen back-connect motherboard layouts. This makes it especially attractive for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who want a clean setup without sacrificing performance headroom. Unlike traditional compact cases that force compromises, the NZXT H9 Flow is designed to feel like a mini flagship tower. It borrows airflow philosophies from NZXT's larger H-series lineup while optimizing internal space for Micro-ATX configurations. The result is a case that feels premium, modern, and surprisingly capable for its size category. The NZXT H9 Flow is engineered with several standout features that make it a strong contender in the compact performance PC market. Its airflow-optimized structure is the centerpiece, supported by carefully positioned fan mounts and radiator clearance options. It includes a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, which immediately improves exhaust airflow right out of the box. Builders can expand cooling performance with up to a 280mm front radiator or a 240mm top radiator, allowing both air and liquid cooling flexibility. One of its most forward-thinking features is support for back-connect motherboards, which significantly improves cable management. This results in a cleaner interior layout, reduced airflow obstruction, and a more professional build aesthetic. Despite its compact size, the case supports full-length GPUs, making it compatible with high-end graphics cards used in gaming, rendering, and AI workloads. This ensures the H9 Flow is not limited by its footprint. The design language of the NZXT H9 Flow follows NZXT's signature minimalist aesthetic, with a focus on clean lines, muted tones, and a functional layout. However, where this case truly stands out is in its airflow optimization strategy. The front panel is engineered to maximize air intake while reducing dust buildup, allowing cool air to enter efficiently without turbulence. Combined with strategically placed ventilation channels, the case maintains a steady airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. This airflow system is particularly important in modern builds where high-performance GPUs and CPUs generate significant heat loads. By prioritizing unrestricted air movement, the H9 Flow ensures thermal stability even under heavy gaming or rendering workloads. The compact structure does not restrict performance hardware. Instead, it channels airflow intelligently around critical components, ensuring that both CPU and GPU temperatures remain controlled even during extended usage sessions. Performance in a PC case is not about raw power but about how efficiently it supports system components. The NZXT H9 Flow excels in this area by enabling consistent thermal performance across different hardware configurations. When paired with modern GPUs and CPUs, the case maintains low internal temperatures thanks to its multi-directional airflow system. The inclusion of radiator support up to 280mm in the front and 240mm at the top allows builders to integrate liquid cooling setups for advanced thermal management. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for users building high-performance systems similar to those seen in the NZXT H9 Flow custom PC build category, where cooling efficiency directly impacts long-term performance stability. Check the link in the description to get yours today.